Welcome! We have been looking forward to this product launch for a long time, and I am very proud to introduce you to our fastest product yet, our new software platform, the router. With today's requirements and pressure on fulfilling orders fast enough, I believe the timing of this product launch could not be more important. The consumer behavior is constantly changing, and the current situation is accelerating the online growth with years, putting enormous pressure on supply chains. The growth will remain and continue to increase in the years to come. Keeping up with customer expectations has never been more challenging. While focusing on long-term goals, companies also need to adapt to rapid changes and act swiftly. Having the right technology that supports unexpected changes is crucial going forward. It will establish a strong advantage in an extremely competitive market. With the launch of Router, AutoStore is giving our customers even more advantages and choices going forward. Now, let me introduce you to the Router.
Imagine up to 40% increased robot performance, twice the number of robots per system, unlock potential throughput up to 4 times. We have worked so hard towards this day. Incremental improvements are simply not enough, and we were forced to reinvent ourselves in order to grow. Today, we want to share with you the essence of our technology, a new product that will unlock the full potential of AutoStore, bringing so many opportunities for all those companies in need of flexible and reliable automation. So, what is the router? The router is the most advanced software we have ever built. This is one of the biggest milestones in the AutoStore history, and we're so proud. The value we bring to our customers is simply phenomenal. Through dynamic routing, we can boost robot performance up to 40%. Keep adding robots and increase total system throughput by 4 times. Limited space or new software can handle up to twice the number of robots on the same space. AutoStore is well known for its efficiency and simplicity. We are the cube storage pioneers for a reason, and the software has always been the silent beings behind the scenes that make everything happen. Over the last decade, we have been very close to our customers and our partners, understanding their challenges, listening to their needs, constantly improving. From small industrial applications to large distribution centers, the current software platform provides outstanding performance. However, our customers have shown us that AutoStore is much more than just warehousing. We have seen how AutoStore was deployed in places we never imagined, from factories to shopping centers, museums, libraries. You probably know this already. Every shape is possible with AutoStore. In addition, it's very simple to increase the capacity by simply adding robots. The combination of special layouts and more robots put additional pressure on the software. This is why our engineers have redesigned the core of our technology to reach new levels we thought impossible, to become more dynamic, to utilize every robot in the best possible way. As Johan stated, we live in challenging times. As consumers, we demand our products faster than ever. The router enables AutoStore to provide the highest performance in the most demanding scenarios. Let me give you some examples. Our e-commerce customers are experiencing tremendous growth, one they probably were not able to predict. Thanks to our new software, we are giving them the flexibility to increase the capacity dramatically. The router enables on-time delivery even on very long driving distances, as we constantly adapt the routes based on current traffic conditions. Another example is urban fulfillment, in particular micro-fulfillment centers. The combination of our existing standard modules, fast delivery times, and the potential that the router unlocks positions AutoStore as the ultimate choice when it comes to e-grocery fulfillment. This message is for those of you who need us to be faster, we are now able to bring you all the AutoStore benefits: space efficiency, flexibility, scalability, reliability, and speed. If you already have an AutoStore, congratulations! There is additional potential to unlock. For everyone else, we are ready to change your mind.
Today, hundreds of customers around the world use AutoStore with massive success. But we are always trying to improve, and over the years we have been asked to become even faster. And the answer to that is the router. We now see up to 40% increase in performance, and we have enabled applications we have not been able to support before. And just to be clear, this time our robots are not faster or better, they are simply working smarter. To understand how the router can make such an impact, I want to illustrate some of the computational complexity we are dealing with at AutoStore. When deciding a route for a robot, we will usually try to take the shortest route to the goal. When we have one robot, this task is quite straightforward, although there is always a range of different options. But since there is only one robot, we can always choose the fastest route. However, when we add robots to the grid, we are generating traffic. A route that seemed optimal when isolated might now be taking you straight into rush hour, meaning we will have to stop and wait to allow other robots to pass. Finding the best routes for hundreds of robots at the same time is incredibly complex. And this is where the router comes in. The router is a completely new software architecture that allows us to do more than 100 times more evaluations for every choice we need to make. Whether that is deciding which robot to use for what job, or which route that robot should take. And as you can imagine, 100 times more evaluations has a monumental impact on system performance and allows us to utilize every robot to the fullest. The router is also extremely dynamic. We are constantly re-evaluating all the routes to ensure the best possible traffic flow, always. This means that we can easily adapt to changes like cancellations, new prioritization, or unexpected order income. When adding robots to a system, you will eventually reach a limit to what is sensible due to robot traffic. With the router, we have essentially increased the potential of every AutoStore system, allowing you to keep adding robots while making each robot more efficient. This means we can increase performance in both ends of the scale, whether it's a small back-of-store application or a massive distribution center. We will ensure your products are where you want them, when you want them. With the router, AutoStore systems are achieving speeds that we never imagined. When we first realized the potential of the router, we were quite frankly surprised. And over the course of the development, we have run over 60,000 simulations, testing and verifying all aspects of the new product, and optimizing for virtually any case. As we speak, the router is running on several AutoStore sites, ranging from our smallest to our biggest customers. And they are confirming the results from our simulations. This is a result of a lot of hard work, and we are finally ready to show you what AutoStore is capable of. Get ready to accelerate with the router.
In AutoStore, we have a unique culture of entrepreneurship and collaboration. And together with our values, lean, transparent and bold, we will continue to pioneer and further develop our future-proof technology that will enable companies to stay ahead of competition. Thank you for joining this product launch, and see you next time.